rising, I'm watching the rise as I walk with the tigers and cut like a diamond. Como se llamas, I told them who born was the king of all rappers. They asked where my throne was. I wrote it, decoded, revealing, unfolded. You feel in the moment, you own it. You know what I own and I focus my story, my opus. It all culminates in one glorious moment. Even like family, G&D, guns and dope. Secret society too, you knew what it was. Slice at the top, but they call us the cover buff. They wanna hate, but I tell them they love it. Love dark streets, black nights, scotch sipping, no bagpipes. High beam when we turn corners like the Lord emerged from overturned boulders. I just got my life and now they calling me. Trying to put me out the sky for all to see. I wonder how anyone could fall for me. Trying to find an answer, take a walk with me. All of these nights, all of these shows, all of these strippers, all of these hoes, all of these drugs, all of these thoughts, all of these demons released from the dark. All of this light, all of this joy, hustle for both of my girls and my boys. All of this love, all of this grace, all of this living that can't go to waste. All of these people who seen what I've been through, they know all my struggles, the pain that I lived through. That ain't the half of it, that's just the back of it. Sometimes the pain is where all of the magic is. Now it's the glory, now it's my story. Now when they talking, they telling his story. Came from the bottom with nothing at all, and I rose to the top, so I call it victory. Woo! I just got my life and now they calling me. Trying to put me out the sky for all to see. I wonder how anyone could fall for me. Trying to find an answer, take a walk with me. We all live in that dark, we all live in that pain. We all live on that bright side, we all live in this game. We all live in these moments, we all live on this earth. We all live with that joy, and we all live with that hurt. We all live with these good times, these bad times. Last time, every moment is a new beginning with a loser win, and it's halftime. Keep it going, do your best. Light one to relieve your stress. Joy and pain, I wouldn't change a thing, cause all of this is what made me. I don't know the answer, so don't talk to me. You can roll it, light it up, and spark with me. Open up my eyes, but it's so hard to see. You call it a life, I call it odyssey. Rhyming in the middle, then I bring it back. Searching for a riddle, spread my wings for that. Open up my eyes, but it's so hard to see. You call it a life, I call it odyssey.
You ain't never lie, you ain't never lie. Just a little nigga representing from the 305, 30305. Used to roll around up in a 1996 Nissan. Bought it from an A-Rap, got robbed 3 months later on some dumb shit. 19 stunting on these niggas like a run shit, I was trying to get it. Every single morning took the bus and hit the studio, my nigga, I was living on a mission. Thought I was the greatest every minute, I would say I need a record deal, a nigga stay wishing. Homie yelling, all you do is rap, seems like you don't even wanna listen. Chill with it, you just gotta deal with it, can't stop a nigga when you know we got a vision. 16s, all I got is 16s. Rap about it, homie, you can get up on a big screen. $1 million budgets in abundance. Know you got a chance if you keep it in 100. Oh man, so true. Couldn't be any more true. I just gotta do what I do. Pray shit'll go according to the plans I choose. Everybody know what's best for the boy. All I get is suggestions. Pardon me, but I ain't ask no questions. Got no time for the half-ass lessons. Either bring it to the table or get to stepping. Lyrics on deck, I don't need no weapons. Still standing as a king, I don't see no peasants. 24 freestyle. Any rapping ass nigga, only how much getting paid is to the OG legends, huh?
Feeling like I need it. All my life I know I need it. It's the hunger in this motherfucker. Hunger in this motherfucker. Feeling like I need it. All my life I know I need it. Need it, motherfucker. It's the hunger in this motherfucker. Hunger in this motherfucker.
What? Sue a nigga, ain't been threatened by an hour since I heard food and liquor. It's VMG till I DIE. How does everybody hate a question about on who deliver? You the journal ass niggas. Back when I was that broke, fucking me and talking about. Homie still that broke. I ain't have a solid check in nearly over 2 years. Stable living was the resolution for the New Year's. Mama digging in the savings trying to keep the lights on. Scared to borrow money from a guy to pay the iPhone. What the fuck am I on? Guess I gotta write songs. Rapping till the riches fill the pockets of my niggas. Let me paint a better picture. I'm Jigga with the double time. Nines on his Esco. X on a couple lines. Common resurrected Jada kiss up on his gun lines. Lloyd Banks so 3 gunning with the punchlines. Fahrenheit Lupe. I am on a dedicated crusade. Long term, niggas only focus on a new wave. Next trend, jealous of their ex-friends. Stunting out on Instagram, shit that y'all invest in. Nigga, be yourself and get some self-esteem with it. Ain't nobody gave me shit, bitch. Fuck a hand down. Had to separate myself from everyone to stand out. Isolated from the ignorance I had. I can't bow in the studio while other niggas threw them bands out. Getting stuck up on a daily niggas bringing cans out. They get 47s, Mac 11s, get your hands out. Killing niggas over nothing never pans out. Goddamn R.I.P. Mike V. Trigger you, my nigga, hoping G's go to heaven where the legends never die. Celebrate your legacy, my homie. I would never cry through these lyrics I be giving you become immortalized. Fuck with these haters, I cannot fuck with these haters. I cannot fuck with these haters. If I had $1 million, would not spend $1 on these haters. Do not put my trust in these haters, I'm out for the crown. Mission impossible, love to kick you while you down. Just know when the prophecy comes to fruition, ain't trying to hear shit from you clowns. Homie, the hell is the matter? Chip on my shoulder got fatter. Fuck all that cheddar and chatter. Like Quest ain't a threat, homie, please, you do not wanna climb up that ladder. Fuck it, it don't even matter. My family need me, we hungry, bitch, don't you be greedy. Can't none of these amateurs see me, ain't shit automatic. I know it and still I get at it. I might just go macho man savage like, oh yeah. Find me straight flexing on my Hunter Hearst shit. Feeling like the king of kings, time to play the game. I am that damn good, come and get this work, bitch. Understand I'm more than just another wordsmith. King slaving every day, you're born a deadly work shift. I am legend in the making. Verbal ventilation, been the illest, I can prove it way more than I can say it. So sick of being patient. All of these rappers is basic. All of these rappers is basic. I find it amazing. This year I played in advance, my condolences out to your favorites. I know that I got it, no arrogance, just being honest. Promise I'm just being honest. I waited and waited and waited when shit was the hardest. It's time to complete what I started, my nigga.
Feeling like I need it. All my life I know I need it. Need it. It's the hunger. Hunger in this motherfucker. Hunger in this motherfucker. Feeling like I need it. All my life I know I need it. Need it. It's the hunger in this motherfucker. Hunger in this motherfucker.